Hey there, Jim Stryker here and Eric Newman. We are the principals of the Masters of Lending team. We are a nationally ranked top producing mortgage production team that has been doing this a very long time, over 20 years. We are a team that has closed literally billions of dollars in mortgage loans. And so are you ready to take your clients' success stories to the next level? At the Masters of Lending team, we're not just about mortgage financing or retirement planning, although we love both. We're about transforming people's lives financially, about transforming their lives and their entire futures, and building long-lasting, very successful relationships with our joint venture partners. So this week, Eric and I are super excited. We are just thrilled to share a success story with you guys that highlights truly what's possible when you think outside the box, you get really creative, and you have a lot of experience and a lot of choices. So we collaborate to solve unique challenges for people. So without further ado, Eric, let's get to today's success story. It's an exciting one.
Yeah, this one today is actually a very common situation that we've seen with clients that we've worked with literally nationwide. And it has to do with a client that needs to sell a home to be able to buy another home. They have equity and their whole down payment trapped in their current home, but they need to be able to buy the new home without having to make the offer contingent. Because with fewer properties on the market right now, a lot of sellers, as everybody here knows, are not going to accept contingent offers. So we've got to find a way to get it done. And the way to get that done is through bridge financing. So what this bridge allows, this particular client here, let's call him Kurt, he had a home that was worth a significant amount of money and didn't know anything on it whatsoever. And he wanted to buy another property that was slightly more expensive, but he needed to have a sizable down payment. His goal ultimately was to be able to pay down the new house when the current one sells. So what we're able to do here is we're able to go pull roughly $500,000 out of his existing property to be able to use that as a down payment. This allows the existing property to be put on the market. There's no payments due, and you've got 12 months to sell that property and pay off that loan. No penalty for that whatsoever. He can move forward with the purchase, get into the new property, and then as soon as he sells that other property, there's no penalty for him to take a lump sum. And in his case, it's going to be another probably $600,000 or $700,000. He's going to be able to take that and reduce the mortgage balance on the new loan, and his payment will automatically drop because it's only based on the interest that's remaining. So this made sense for him because it's keeping his costs to a minimum. It allows him to get from point A to point B. And from a seller perspective, there's no risk because you're not having to wait for another property to sell. So I love this. We've got many lenders that do bridge financing. As one of the largest brokers in the nation, we've got hundreds of lenders to choose from, and a lot of them do multiple types of programs like this. So for this guy, it was a huge success. So I love stories like this. I love helping people get from point A to point B in very unique situations. If you haven't visited the mastersoflendingteam.com, make sure you do that. If you are one of our joint venture partners already, then great, thank you. If you're not, you need to check out some of the tools that Jim and I have available for you to help you grow your business, and make sure you're not leaving money on the table and lose deals that could otherwise be done. We're here to help. We're here to put those situations together, and we'd love to have a conversation with you. So thank you very much for watching today.
Thank you.